If you're new to our channel, my partner Adam and I and our dog Twyla have been travelling around Australia for the last 3 years. We mostly travel in our converted Ford Transit camper van and occasionally take our Suzuki Jimny out tent camping, and we don't even mind doing a few Airbnbs in between, large and small. So for everything camp cooking, paid and free camping locations, camping tips and tricks, and the good old country bakery, you've come to the right place. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe and come travel Australia one town at a time. Now you know who we are, let's get back to the episode. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm King Dino.
I'm Mrs. Twyla, and on this episode we're showing you around the Bega factory, which is located in Bega, New South Wales coast.
So let's go inside and check it all out. I remember when I first came to the cheese factory and you actually saw them in this building making the cheese, but now that's done in the factory next door, and that's right there. And then as you walk into the building now, they've converted it into a museum plus a cafe. So they've got a bit of a display at the front. Downstairs is a cafe and where you can buy cheese, and then upstairs is the museum. So upstairs of the cheese factory you'll find all the history and the things they used to make the cheese with. So I'll take you around and show you now. Bega Cheese is Australia owned and operated cheese company located in the beautiful Bega Valley on the south coast of New South Wales. The company was founded as a dairy cooperative in 1899. Over 100 of the current owners are dairy farmers. Bega Cheese is a truly Australian company employing over 500 staff in Bega Valley. Around 20% of their overall products are exported to over 50 countries around the world. As you walk through the museum, you'll see plenty of photos, stories, and equipment that they use to make cheese with. You can even walk into the actual original cheese factory. They have it on display. It was built in 1869. It's pretty incredible. You can go in there and check out all the different equipment and see what it would have looked like back then. I definitely think it's worth a visit if you're driving past, to pop in and see the guys here at Bega. And then also upstairs, if you want to get a little memento, they've got a little shop upstairs you can go into and purchase some things. But we'll head downstairs now. This is where all the good stuff is. Cheese, butters. They had all sorts of things. They even had cakes. And you could get yourself a little stuffed toy, little cow. I was thinking even maybe getting a chopping board. They had those you can do a little cheese platter on. So they had all sorts of things you could buy and look at and check out. And they even do some tastings there. So if you're feeling hungry, definitely the place to go. Also, if you haven't got a dog like us, you can sit inside where there's plenty of seating. So I've just let Adam go in and take a look. And we're just he's also going to get us maybe a milkshake or something, and we'll have it out here on the deck. All right, Twyla, Daddy's here. All right, it looks like a cow.
Strawberry milkshake, but it's like a thick shake.
Oh, yes.
And they've got some cheese.
Oh, what cheese? Tell me you got something good. Before.
Pardon?
Tell me you got something good.
Well, hopefully it is. Vintage chili paprika.
Oh, yeah.
So that'd be good with some crackers or some bread.
Oh, so that'll be hot. Nice.
And that's it.
All right. Well, let's give this a go. See what it tastes like. Very good. What do you think, Adam?
I'm glad we're sharing.
It's massive, isn't it?
Yeah.
And what do you think, Adam? Is
it
nice,
refreshing?
A moo shake?
Oh, yes. Yes. Yeah, the kids will love it.
Yeah, if you're driving towards Melbourne or even through and you do stop here, there are toilets just outside the building, so you can have a bit of a pit stop. And then also, if it's a bit busy, which it isn't today, but if it was busy, there is a park just across here. I'll show it to you. So you can stop there and have your cheese and have yourself a milkshake. So the park is located just across the road from the actual cheese factory itself. And then they do have plenty of undercover seating. So even if it is not the best weather. You can still sit out there. Twyla's going to take advantage of the park now, because before we hit the road, she needs a bit of a toilet break, and they do have a walk you can do. It tells you a bit about the walk and the wildlife around there. But I think it's time for us to head off. But before we do go tonight, I thought I'd remind you that we do have our online merch store where you can get our mugs, tote bags, t-shirts, hoodies, and so much more.
So to check out our merch on our online store, all you have to do is scan the QR code or go to the link in the description.
Well, that's it for another episode. Make sure you tune in this Sunday for our Sunday episode at 5 p.m. And if you're new to our channel, make sure you like and subscribe. And until then, we'll see you then.
See you guys.
See you guys.